The Washington County Board of Education is asking for parents' feedback on a policy draft concerning personal use of students' cell phones and other electronic devices. Board President David Sterling invited Elementary Education Executive Director Steve Gregoire to speak to the board about this at the board's most recent meeting.
Senate Bill 178, which was new legislation that was passed this year and will go into effect in July, that has asked us to eliminate cell phones, personal devices during classroom hours. And they've defined classroom hours as structured teacher-supervised instructional time during regular operating hours.
I would recommend to those in the audience and certainly all parents that they look at this. It's actually pretty significant. So we need to hopefully get some feedback on this as we look at it.
At a previous meeting, District Superintendent Richard Holmes described meetings with the bill's sponsor, Senator Lincoln Fillmore.
And he met with us, the superintendents last summer, and says, I'm writing this to be as strict as possible. So if you want to follow suit, you can. If you want to make it a little less, it gives you the freedom and flexibility to do so.
Board member Heidi Gunn, who has 2 kids in Snow Canyon Middle School, described the school's experience with a very strict cell phone policy.
And there was a little kickback at the beginning of the school year from parents, mostly parents, and from students. But now here we are in end of March, and it is working really well. Really well. And the thing that was really good is to sit in community council meetings and PTA meetings and hear teachers say, you know what, the kids are talking more, especially at lunchtime, because they don't allow them to put out lunchtime either. And the kids are engaging with one another. They talk to each other. They just have had less problems. School engagement in classrooms is increased just with the students engaging with the teachers. It has been a really good thing.
The policy draft can be viewed on the district's website. Local parents have 30 days from Monday, April 14th to provide feedback on it. This is Nick Fiala, reporting for St. George News, your #1 source for local news.